Hello, this is Roshni Venugopal, you are 14 CS 121 and this is my exercise number 2, Unix and Linux lab. So here the first question is to write a shell script to find the greatest of 3 numbers. So first of all, I will take 3 inputs from the user as 3 numbers. To take the input from the user, what we do is read. The read command is used, the read syntax is used, so read num1, num2 and num3. Now the logic behind this is if 3 numbers are given, for one number to be the greatest, it should be greatest by the other 2 numbers. Therefore, I have used if-else condition over here. If num1 is greater than minus gt is represents greater than num2 and is represented by dash a. Num1 is also greater than num3. So if it is greater than both, then it will echo that num1 is the greatest. Similarly, else if syntax is given like this, elif, num2 is greater than num1 as well as num3, then num2 is the greatest. If both the conditions are not satisfied, then it will go to the else statement and print that num3 is the greatest, and if is closed using f5. So let's see how this works. The first number 54, 34, 44. Now see, we can see that 54 is the greatest number. Now let's move on to the next question. So the second question is write a shell script to find the grade for a given mark. So suppose a person enters 3 internal marks, then the average is taken by these 2 logic. First is that it is all the 3 marks are added, and that is done by using this. So m4 is equal to expr, and then in these backcodes we can type the expression and put the keyword expr. This command will get executed and will be stored in m4. Similarly over here also, now they have been added, the marks have been added, and here the average has been taken by dividing it by 3 and storing it in total. Now the total, if it is greater than 80 but less than or equal to 100, then it will echo or it will print that outstanding and grade is O. Similarly, the other conditions are given by using else if statements, and then the last is else echo, and then we close it using fi. So first return mark 67, y 69. So your grade is 63, super, and grade is S. Now let us move on to the next question. So the next question I have taken is the arithmetic calculator, the fourth one. Write a shell script to develop the arithmetic calculator. So this is the logic behind it, that the 2 numbers will be taken as input from the user and an operation will be chosen. Whatever the person chooses as the operation, it will go into the switch case and apply the following operation. So suppose read, the operation will be the option will be taken from the user. Suppose he chooses 3, that is multiplication, so it will automatically go to this, that is case 3 in. So since the value 3 is going here, automatically it will go to case 3, and here it will execute the commands, and this double semicolons acts as the break command in the normal switch case in C programs. So over here we see m3 is equal to expression. Now for multiplication, the symbol is like backslash and star. The remaining is similar to the previous ones, previous knowledge, that is modulus. This is the power operator, division operator, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So let us see how this works. first number is 56, suppose second number is 21. I want to divide it, so the answer is 2. So the modulus has been, only the quotient part has been taken. Now again, if I want maybe power, this 8, I want to power it, so yes. Similarly, we can do subtraction also. Okay, now we'll move on to the next question. So this is the next question, that is the third one. Write a shell script to get the internal and external marks from the user and check if pass or fail. So the person will enter 2 marks, the internal marks and external marks. Since the internal marks are out of 60, it will be entered and stored over here. The external marks are out of 100 and stored in EXMR. Now for converting the external marks into into 40%, so that it can be added to internal marks and converted to 100, what we do is we use the EXMR, that is the external marks, and multiply it with 0.4, so that we get 40% of the marks. After getting 40% over here, I have added it to the internal marks and thereby getting the answer. But since it is it becomes a float value, I have converted it into an int value over here by using this logic, dollar total percentage dot star. Now using this, it has been converted into an integer. Now if that integer value or that total marks is greater than 50, then he has will be passed, else he will be failed. So let's check how this works. Out of 60, suppose he got 34, and the external marks he got like 89. So we can see that 35 is the internal marks and 69.6 is the average marks that has been taken by adding the external 40% of external marks to that of the internal marks. We can say it is greater than 50, that is 69.6, therefore the person has passed. Now the last program is if it is a vowel or a constant. Now this is a very simple program where the character will be taken as input from the user, and according to the character, if it is A, E, I, O or U, then it will go inside the switch case and echo that character is a vowel. Otherwise, it will go by default into this last case, that is the default case where star has been given, and it will echo that it is a consonant. So let's see. Now, suppose the character I enter is R, so it is a consonant. So these are the 5 programs, and this is my lab experiment number 2. Thank you.